Hey guys, welcome to the video. We got fucking Werner here. Get out of the shed, boy. Got Werner here today, and today we're doing the handlebar switches, but you can see the length difference, which is why I'm gonna have to cut wires. There's no like option; it has to be done, kind of thing. But yeah, one's fucked, one's just come through the post. It's fucking whack-a-mole, boys, on the beast. So what I'm doing now, first, quickly, is I'm just putting the switches on the bike now, because then I can work out all the wire length and stuff afterwards, yeah? And it's also just a lot easier to hold them on there. One problem is though, this has got the pin in it, yeah, which would have been amazing if I had a drill that works and stuff, but I don't. And the hole in the bars, it's not focusing, but it's underneath. So, look where it's on top on here, I'm just going to have to put it out. I'm going to have to like, just put a bit of tape around it inside so it stays on. Bit of fuming, I know, but what you got to do, innit? Innit, Bruno? Innit, boy? Yeah, alright. You got the older brand new switches on pretty solid now. Beep beep beep, just got to do all the wires now. Sweet. So you can see the difference here. This connector has to go to that connector. You know, it doesn't fit, you know. But it's got the blue and white wire there, that's got the blue and white connector there. All the colours are looking like the right colours, you know. But yeah, just got to cut some of that off now, cut the connector off that, unfortunately, and then make it longer. Innit, boy? Yeah. Just made a new camera holder. Got to the this point where it's all on there. Got this cut to the right length and stuff. All the wires are matching up. Just need to splice them together now. Take that shit up and try it out. So, the wires are back on. You just turn this key on for you. Right, your side light's on down there, the LED one you can see. And then this is on, look. And if I flick that, oh, it's being very temperamental. I think it's the connector, you know. Something's being temperamental because it was working just a second ago. Ah, there you go. Bottom filament's on. Right, got to try and... You see it flick between the two? I've got to find out why it's being temperamental, but then it's done. In person like works as well, if you can see both come on. Oh, you can't, but I can with my eyes. Yeah. Working. Nice. Nice, isn't it, Bruno? So, I'm just going back through someone else's wiring, going through fucking fixing everything as long as shit. Fuming. So, I've made a bit of progress. You see this? And I figured out what's wrong with it as well. Basically, it's the bulb, and the bulb's a bit shit. You can see the LED side light down there. You can see the bulb's on, yeah? If you turn it on, full beam, it either comes on perfectly like it is now, or you have to smack the lens, like tap it, because the bulb's broken. You can see passing light works as well. Sickness. I have to show you again at night time, won't I, for the last bit of the video. Come on, Bruno. Right, boy. Yeah, ignore this side flashing quick, it's because the bulb's fucked in the rear. If you smack it a few times it usually works, but yeah, it's just being long. The other side works and flashes the right side. And it's definitely the switches are working. And you no, boy, it's okay. The horn's just a bit old. No, come on. The horn's a bit old, so it's not working very well. Probably give that a good old. Oh, no, shush, boy. You see that coming on? Sweet as fuck. So, just change the horn out as well now because that was being shit and works. No, come on, stop it. Stop being stupid. Stop being stupid. And yeah, horn's done, lights are done. Next thing I think is the seat, because everything's going really well at the moment. I mean, it's still got an MOT on it, but it'll go through the next one a lot easier at the moment, the way things are going. Yeah, fucking nice. So I've just fucking been doing on that, and then I've gone through and I've noticed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 engine mount bolts out of fucking, well, I don't know, just plus 2 to that. 7 out of fucking 9 were loose. Crazy. I mean, not dangerous. I mean, all loose is dangerous loose, but I mean, look, it wasn't about to fall out, but pretty fucking close. Those 2 were actual loose. The rest of it all just could do with a bit more tightening, like by a nice bit, you know. Yeah. So done that now, and that's stitched together now, kind of thing, with some staples. It's only temporary anyway until there's a whole new upholster for it. It's just because it was all split and fucked. But yeah, that's all back together now. From the key on, it starts and stuff. All the lights come on again. Yeah, dog's up here. I ain't gonna get bitched at because the dog hates it. But yeah, she's like that at the moment. Sweet. So because she's all sat there and all happy at the moment, I only used my new phone holder that I installed today once during this whole filming. But now that that's all done and put back together like that, I'm probably gonna tidy all this shit out, let you guys see that for a minute on time lapse, because fucking yeah, it's all bare, disorganised, and I don't know where anything is. Kind of handy, you know. So all the shit's gone from there. Do you know what I mean? There's a few bits over here, got a few little spare parts and that, but all the tools are back in my little bit over there. I'm just gonna put the tyre up as usual and then give it a little test out kind of thing, see if everything's working as fine. Nice. No effort of gang here with Sammy, fucking for testing purposes only. Yeah. It's a different engine, isn't it? So it's all different. Every bolt, like basically every engine mount apart from one, yeah, was loose. The sprocket and that was loose. Yeah. It really is, isn't it? It's running like shit at the moment, I don't know why. The other day I was ragging it, but today it's just going like shit. Not very happy. I think it's just a bit cold. I don't know why it's being so fucking gay.
It's like, it feels like it's riding on the toe.
I don't know why it's being so gay.